everyone. Welcome back to Pop Off English. If you're new here, I'm Mia.
And I'm Leo. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with a friend who is always on their phone. You know that one friend. Maybe it's you.
If it's you, stay. Today we are talking about English for social media, comments, DMs, and internet slang that is safe, fun, and actually used by real people.
So if you love Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or you are addicted to scrolling, this episode is for you.
Let's start with something we all do on social media, comments. You see a funny video, a cool picture, or a cute dog, and you want to say something.
But sometimes you think, what do I write in English? You don't want to write only nice every time. That's a bit boring.
So let's upgrade your comment game. We'll give you simple English comments that sound natural and friendly. Very easy, beginner level, but not boring.
First, basic positive comments. These are safe in almost every situation. You can use them for videos, photos, stories, everything.
You can say, love this. Very simple. Or so good, or this is great.
If you want something a little stronger, you can say, this is amazing, or this made my day.
This made my day means this content made me happy today. It's a very nice positive comment. People love it.
You can also write, I needed this today. It means you feel better after watching or reading that post.
If it's a funny video, you can say, this is so funny, or I can't stop laughing, or I'm crying.
On the internet, just I'm crying usually means I'm laughing so much. Not real tears. No drama, just fun.
If something is cute, for example, a baby, a dog, or a cat, you can write, so cute, or this is adorable.
You can upgrade cute with this is too cute. That too just means super cute, not a problem. It's a good thing here.
Now, sometimes you want to support a creator or a friend. You like what they do and you want to encourage them. Easy phrases for that are, keep going, or keep it up.
Keep it up means continue, you are doing well. Very positive, very common.
You can also say, proud of you. If it's a friend, maybe so proud of you. It's short, sweet, and very friendly.
Or, you deserve this. For example, your friend gets a new job, wins a prize, or reaches 1,000 followers. You deserve this.
Another phrase for support is, I'm so happy for you. That's good for personal news. A new job, a new house, a big goal.
Now, let's move to internet slang you see in comments. We will keep it safe and current. No rude words. No drama.
One very common word is slay. S-L-A-Y. When someone slays, it means they look great or they did something very well. It's a big compliment.
If your friend posts a great outfit, you can write, you slayed this look, or just slay.
Another common comment is, I'm obsessed. It means I love this so much. For example, I'm obsessed with this song, or I'm obsessed with this outfit.
There is also vibes or vibes only. For example, this video is such good vibes. It means the video feels good, positive, relaxed.
Or this is a whole vibe. It means the style or mood is very strong and very cool.
Let's talk about mood. When someone writes mood under a post, it means this is exactly how I feel. Maybe someone is tired on Monday, and you are also tired. You can comment, mood.
Or big mood, it's just stronger. Same idea.
Now, another word you see a lot is relatable. R-E-L-A-T-A-B-L-E. If content is relatable, It means I feel the same, or this is similar to my life.
You can comment, so relatable, or this is too relatable. For example, a meme about staying up too late. Very relatable for many people.
Another short internet slang word is same, just same. It means me too, or I feel the same. If someone writes, I need coffee, you can comment, same.
Now, how do you show strong agreement in a comment? You can use facts. It means this is true.
For example, a post says, sleep is important. You can comment, facts, or big facts.
Another one is so true. Very simple, beginner level, and very common. So true, bestie is a playful version, but you can keep it simple. So true.
Now, maybe you see something that surprises you in a good way. You can comment, no way. It means I can't believe it, but in a fun way.
Or, I was not ready for this. That means the video is crazy, amazing, or very intense.
Let's move from comments to DMs, direct messages, private messages. DMs are usually more personal and casual.
We will give you safe, friendly DM phrases. No flirting today, just normal social media English.
First, how to start a DM if you don't know the person very well. Maybe you follow a creator and you want to say something nice.
You can start with, hey, I just wanted to say I love your content. Or, hi, I really enjoy your videos.
I just wanted to say is a very soft and polite way to start. It's friendly, not too strong.
If it's a friend, you can be more casual. Hey, what's up? Or, hey, how's it going? Very normal greetings.
Now, maybe you want to reply to someone's story on Instagram. You can say things like, this looks so fun, or this place looks amazing.
If it's food in the story, you can write, this looks so good, or now I'm hungry.
If it's a picture of your friend studying or working, you can send, you got this. That means you can do it, I believe in you.
You got this is a great little phrase for support in DMs, comments, anywhere.
Now, let's talk about making plans in DMs in very simple English. For example, you see a friend's story from a cafe and you want to go there together next time.
You can write, that cafe looks cool. We should go one day, or let's go there sometime.
We should go one day is soft. Let's go there sometime is a bit stronger. Both are friendly and casual.
If you want to ask for more information in a DM, you can say, where is this? Or, what's the name of this place? Very simple and clear.
Or can you send me the link if it's a product, a video, or a website? That one is super useful.
Sometimes in DMs, people use a lot of short forms. Let's look at some very common and safe ones.
LOL means laughing out loud. It just means that's funny. You can also use it to make a message feel softer, less serious.
For example, you're always late, LOL. Here, LOL makes it more playful, less angry.
BRB means be right back. You can write it if you have to go but you want to come back. Hey, BRB, I need to eat.
By the way means by the way. You use it when you add extra information. By the way, your new profile picture is cool.
IDK means I don't know. For example, IDK what to watch tonight. Very common.
OMG means oh my god or oh my gosh. It shows surprise, good or bad. OMG, this is so cute.
TBH means to be honest. You use it when you want to say something honestly or directly. TBH, I like the first one more.
Another one is IMO or IMHO. IMO means in my opinion. IMHO means in my humble opinion. You can write, IMO this song is overrated.
Now, a very important one. DM me. It means send me a direct message. For example, if you have questions, DM me.
You also see PM me. That's private message me. Same idea. On many platforms, DM is more common now.
Let's talk about some positive internet slang adjectives you can use in DMs and comments.
One is wholesome. WHOLESOME. Something is wholesome when it is very sweet, pure, kind, and makes you feel warm inside. No drama.
You can comment, "This is so wholesome." For example, a video of a grandma dancing or a dog and a baby together.
Another word is iconic. Something iconic is very special and memorable. For example, a very famous moment in a show or a really strong outfit.
You can write, "This is iconic," or "You're iconic." It's a big compliment.
There's also low-key and high-key. Low-key means a little bit secretly. High-key means a lot, very strongly.
For example, "I low-key love this song." That means you like it, but maybe you feel a bit shy about it, or a guilty pleasure.
I high-key want this. That means you really want it, strongly.
Now, let's look at how to disagree politely on social media. Maybe someone writes something and you don't agree, but you want to be kind.
You can say, I see your point, but I think, and then your opinion. Very simple and respectful.
Or, "Interesting, but in my opinion," and then your idea. Use "in my opinion" or IMO to show this is just your view.
If you want to be extra soft, you can say, I'm not sure I agree, but I understand. That is very polite.
Some people on the internet are not polite. But you can be the positive person in the comments. That's a good goal.
Now, sometimes you don't understand an expression or a meme in English. You can ask in a friendly way, what does this mean? Or, can someone explain this?
You can also write, "New word for me, thanks," when you learn a new slang word from a post.
Let's talk about how to ask questions about language in DMs in simple English. For example, you write to a friend who speaks English well.
You can say, "Hey, is this sentence natural?" and then send your sentence. Or, "How do you say this in English?" and then your idea in your language or in simple English.
Or, is it okay to say this? And you send the phrase. That's a useful question when you are not sure if something is rude or not.
Now, let's talk about time on social media. There are some easy phrases about how often you post or watch.
You can say, I'm always online. That means you are on social media a lot. Or, I'm never online. Maybe not true, but sounds healthy.
"I'm scrolling again" means you are just going down, down, down in your feed. No plan, just scrolling. We all do it.
You can say, I spend too much time on TikTok, or I need a social media break. Very normal sentences.
If you are posting something, you can write in the caption, "Just posting this here." It's casual. It doesn't need a big reason.
Or, late post, but I love this. If the photo or video is from the past, but you are posting it now.
Let's move into reactions. When someone sends you something in DMs, how do you answer in simple English?
If your friend sends you a funny video, you can say, this is hilarious. It means very, very funny. Or, I'm dying.
Again, "I'm dying" here means I'm laughing a lot, not real death, just drama in a fun way.
If your friend sends you good news, you can say, that's awesome, or that's great news, or I'm so happy for you.
If your friend sends you bad news, you can say, "I'm so sorry," or "That sucks." That sucks is informal, but it's common for something sad or annoying.
Or, I'm here for you. That's a very kind sentence to send in a DM when someone has a problem.
Let's go back to comments for a moment and look at how to ask for more content in simple English.
You can write, "We need a part 2," or "Please make more videos like this." Creators love that.
Or, I could watch this all day. That means you really enjoy their content.
Another one is underrated. It means this content is very good, but not many people know it. It's a big compliment.
You can say, this channel is so underrated, or this song is underrated.
Now, because this is Pop-Off English, let's give you some full little comment ideas you can just take and use.
For a funny video, I didn't expect that ending. This is so funny, short, clear, and natural.
For a beautiful picture, this is stunning. Love the colors. Stunning means very beautiful.
For a friend's success, so happy for you. You worked so hard for this. Very encouraging.
For a calm, aesthetic video, this is such a vibe. I feel so relaxed now.
For a language learning video, maybe like this one. This was so helpful. Thank you for making this.
Very good idea, by the way.
Very good idea.
Now let's give you some full DM examples in simple English. Imagine your friend posts a story at the gym. You want to be supportive.
You can send, "You're killing it at the gym. Keep it up." "You're killing it" here means you are doing very well.
If your friend posts a story at a concert, you can DM, "This looks amazing. I'm so jealous," in a good way.
You can also say, "Next time, invite me." Very friendly, playful.
If you want to send a nice message to a creator, you can say, "Hey, I just wanted to say your videos help me with my English. Thank you so much."
That message is always welcome. Creators never get tired of it.
If you are busy and you can't answer a DM fast, you can write later, "Sorry for the late reply. I was busy." Very normal.
Or, "Just saw this now." Then answer the message. People understand.
Now, one more thing. On social media, sometimes people use very strong slang, rude words, or jokes that are not safe. You don't need those to sound natural.
You can be cool, fun, and friendly with the simple phrases we use today. Simple English is great English, especially online.
Before we finish, let's recap a few useful words from today. Not all, just a few.
For comments, love this, this made my day, so cute, so relatable, big mood.
For DMs, "Hey, I just wanted to say, you got this. Can you send me the link? I'm here for you."
For slang, slay, I'm obsessed, vibes, wholesome, iconic, low-key, high-key.
For short forms, LOL, BRB, BTW, IDK, OMG, TBH, IMO, DM me.
That's already a lot of social media English you can use in real life. Today, in your comments and DMs.
If you want more episodes like this, tell us in the comments. You can write, "More social media English, please." Very easy.
And remember, your English does not need to be perfect to be social. Even simple messages can be kind, funny, and cool.
If you learned something today, subscribe to Pop Off English, like this video, and share it with a friend who loves social media.
You can also comment with your favorite internet word or phrase. We read the comments and we steal your ideas for future videos.
Not steal. We are inspired.
Right. We are inspired.
Thanks for hanging out with us today.
See you in the next episode of Pop Off English.
Bye for now.
Bye.